Hello, my beautiful Cancer. Welcome to your reading. Now, this is your love reading. Let me give an introduction what a reading you have. Okay, fantastic reading. And first of all, don't get scared, okay, because it's starting with this. My hands are tied. It is starting like that, but it is a fantastic reading. Are you not able to see the cups and all? When you see cups, should be dancing. Yay, 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 like that, because it's a love reading means cups, okay, and you have cups, so you dance now, huh? Okay, welcome to my reading, guys. This is a general reading, general love reading. Obviously it will be for around 10 minutes only, but I'll give you so much of information you'll get shocked. So much information, it will be very clear. And there is an offer. Just imagine if it is 10 minutes, I'm giving a 40 to 45 minutes reading, personal reading, so you will be able to get all the information that you need to know in your whole lifetime. Till you die, you will know. So if you want that, you can get the offer because I am giving discount, okay? So use the opportunity and get the discounted rate and get fix a personal reading if you have questions. Now also give me a like and a share and a subscribe, okay? Subscribe to my channel and do not forget to press the bell notification, then only you will know when I'm uploading, so that you don't miss and all. And if it's not resonating, listen, tarot, like, you have to watch the other signs also. Moon sign, ascendant sign, rising sign, Jupiter sign, Venus sign. If you don't know what all these things are, you have to make a birth chart. It is available for free. Just make your birth chart, you will know what sign your moon sign is. Okay, your moon sign Pisces, your ascendant sign is Scorpio, like that you will get to know. So do that and you can watch all that, okay? And this is also not you can swap the role. This maybe I'm picking up your energy or your lover's energy, okay? The person that you love. Let us start. Now, first card that you see is Nine of Swords. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini energy. Doesn't have to be this sun sign, but could be some other sun sign also. But this is a person who's caught in their mind, okay? Something is happening where they're not able to get out of it. It's like a prison, and they themselves have made it. They're not able to sleep, they're not able to wake up and all that, and they're thinking about what they wish. And what they're wishing, they want you. They want to have, like, they want to hold your hand like this. In this, like an idiot, two hands of their hand only they're holding, and they're having the rope and all. Who wants to be like this? It looks so ugly. But look at these two hands. When it's joining, it's so beautiful, right? Two people, beautiful hands joining together. Obviously this looks like disgusting. This looks beautiful. So they want to have these two hands join, okay? And that is their wish. No wonder this thought is just making them think about the whole situation like a burden. They're carrying. You have 2-9 here because of the burden in their head. I think it's your head. I don't know whether your head has the burden or their head or both. Now, this has been very sad, They are like, oh God, I want to join this person. I'm really thinking about them. I'm losing my mind. I have so much of emotions. I want to go to party with them. I want to drink with them. I want to be happy with them. I want to start a family with them. I love them so much. I want to make kids and all. But what am I doing? My hands are tied. You got it? But you know what? They found out what to do. They decided, I will manifest. Simple, because I'm magic, I'm magician. I know what to do. And this is the particular period. This is the time everybody can manifest, okay? Everybody in this world are, I really wish each and every person starts manifesting, because this is the best time to manifest. The whole world is going towards transformation that is happening. You saw 2020, 2021 also. You are seeing how it is and all. It's not going to stop, because we are in the starting of the Aquarian age, and there is a huge change that is coming, which is already started. So you have to play along, okay? You should not be the black sheep and not enjoy the opportunity which is there for everybody. So magician literally means using all the elements, using all the powers, the resources that is there available to you, and literally making magic out of it. Understood? You can do it, anybody can do it. And it looks like whoever this energy I'm picking up, it is you or your person. One person is doing this manifestation, which is good. They know that they can do the magic and they're working, okay? If you need help, this is the best thing that I do. I enjoy doing manifestation courses and lessons and readings. I just love it, and especially when everybody gets results, I feel so happy, okay? I have too many very big clientele. I have very happy clientele. Maybe it is not way too big. It is like, it's reasonably big. but very happy and extremely successful clientele. So if you can also use that, and for some reason I do this announcement only in financial reading, okay? But look at this, even last reading I did for Gemini, even for them this was coming across finance and manifestation and becoming abundant and prosperous, that is coming a lot. So manifestation is not only for money, okay, because it means for multiple things, for a good family, for having a good health, to have healthy relationship with your spouse. All of these things are there. So everything you can manifest, okay? And it is so possible. It is fantastic that you can do, and you're in a place when you're hearing all these things, there are people who can help you, like me, to make this manifestation come true. Before and all, where I don't know, without internet, very difficult to find. If you have somebody else, that guru and all, who are very good, don't go for all these idiotic gurus who are just cheating you. Go for nice people. If you know them, ask them. If you like me, you ask me, I'll tell you. I will coach you. So they decided, this burden I'm not able to carry, I'm going to take action, I'm going to manifest myself, which is a fantastic decision. And I clarified this card also. Why is the 9 of Swords here? Okay, and they are like they are working. No, they are working on manifestation, and they're waiting for the Wheel of Fortune to turn towards their favor. Wow, this is why it is feeling like money reading, the fortune and all that. And they're talking to it about friends, talking to this matter. What am I blabbering? Talking about this matter to their friends, okay? And they're discussing you with their friends, which is very good. And they're thinking of coming with a small offer. They're not going to come and say immediately, hey, I want to marry you. No, I'm not going to. They're not thinking about saying that, but they're coming towards you. They're coming, and they're thinking about coming. They're really thinking about coming, because before they were not coming. They didn't have any plan of coming, but now something has changed and they want to take action. They are manifesting the right time to come. Why is the 4 of Swords here? Thank you. Yes. See, I told you they're coming. No. See how they're coming. They're coming like the Fool. Aquarius energy. And also, I see the 7 of Swords, clarifying the 4 of Swords. So they're coming without telling somebody. If somebody is telling, no, this girl is not nice, this boy is not nice, you go, don't love them and all. You're like, yeah, I hate her, I hate him. You're telling that to them, but you know where, what you're going to do. You're coming with this brand new, beautiful offer. You're coming towards your lover. Okay, that is what you're doing. You're coming and giving a cup of love also. New cup of love. And starting everything newly. This is very good. Okay. Give me advice, please. Advice for Cancerian. Thank you. Just wait for them. They will come. They will come. Okay, and they'll give you like justice for all the heartbreak and all the time you were waiting for them. All of those things, it will become history, because you'll be so happy now. They'll come and give you so much of happiness. Okay. All right. So now let us see. What were the problems? The problem was how to marry. They want to, I think somebody went and told, I love you, I want to marry you immediately, and they ran away. Because at that time, no, they wanted to work. They wanted to do work at that time. So they decided this will be a distraction. This could be a person from the past. So they thought like, no, I cannot go really fast about this, because if I go, then my this thing will go off. But at that time, if they had come, no, that's all. You will be begging, they will also be begging. What is this? Beggars union, eh? I mean, come on. I will definitely tell you, without money, please don't fall in love and all. Or else you should be some amazing personality. After begging also, suddenly you get the ammunition to work, and you both work together and you make a beautiful life. Don't tell me, no, love is pure, it does not know money. Food you need. Okay, you need to eat. So if you love, you give food to her, and she will also give to you and all. So always keep that in mind, and then you do all this nonsense. Okay, talking all this nonsense and all. Have responsibility, I'm telling you. That is why, that is how you can have a healthy relationship. Or else now or later the problem will come and you will split, divorce and all. Why all this? Have some responsibility before. Rather than being lazy and not doing things, start doing the things for the other person, and they will also do for you. But I really feel that is what this person did. They were not irresponsible. They wanted to have a proper stable relationship and they worked on it. Okay, they ran away when you went and gave this opportunity to fall in love and get married. Okay, they ran away. They said, oh my god, I'm running. They came to you probably sometimes. Okay, one night they'll come, next night they are gone. Okay, and they went away from the marriage. They dodged it. They were dodging this for a very long time. You thought like they're hiding things and all that, but they were not hiding anything and all. They just wanted to cut it off. They didn't want to entertain at all right now, because they know that they themselves are begging, and what you also will do together. Both will beg and do what. That is, they knew that this will give rise to lot of conflict, and both of you, I told you, beggar. So they don't want to be like that. Have you seen Nobita in Doraemon? They will show that Nobita never studies, and if ever Suzuka is going to marry him, they both will become beggars. There was one episode, both begging on the street and all. I'm not saying like that, because here they want to have a beautiful family. You have the 10 of Pentacle. They don't want to be the 5 of Pentacle, beggar. They don't want to. They want to start a new cycle, and this is amazing. Like, share and subscribe, and have a personal reading done. Okay, I will see you very soon. Thank you for all the donation that you're giving. I love you. Bye, Cancer. This is a fantastic reading for you.